Okay, so the first little short video was me looking at the board. And this is the original board. And this is the new board. Now on these boards, this is the old EPROM that I took out of this location. It's like a little op amp, but these are EPROMs. They have a flash erasable memory on them. So I took out the new one because this has nothing written on it. I'll save it and stick it over here. And this is the third electrical problem on this unit within a short given time of weeks. And we are condemning this second board. This is the second one in the same room. And so there's definitely some sort of voltage issue going on in this building that I did recommend, and I always recommend voltage surge protectors on the panels that these units go on. And if they don't take my advice, I tell them one day you will pay the price. And now they're paying the price, because you cannot have 3 separate electrical failures in a row on a system going down one after another without there being a problem. That is not coincidence. So in the next video number short clip 3, after this is in, let's see if we get the system back up and running.